Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you share your Instagram story to your Snapchat story. So this thing is quite like this is tricky. We just have to do one thing. We have to go on our Instagram application here and update a story or upload a story which I want. Like if I want to put it on my story, I will just select it and put it on my story like this, add on my story. And whenever I will add any story, there is an option called save that story in your profile. Let me just show you. Like this is the video, and there is option on the three dots on the right bottom of screen, and the second option is save that story. When you will save it, it will be saved into your camera section or photos or video gallery in your mobile. And then you have to go on your Snapchat, log in into your account, go on the story option. Like me, I will go on my story option here, and then you can post that story on your Snapchat story. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.